Hey friends, today I'll be showing you how to make a simple beaded bracelet. First, you're going to take the string and cut it at about half an arm's length. Then you will take the jump ring and put it through the string and make 3 tight knots to keep it secure. Next, you're going to put the beads in any order you like. For this one, I am doing pearl, small bead, stone, small bead, and repeat. And you keep adding beads until it is the right size, or you can even measure it on your wrist to see if it is long enough. If it's good, then you can attach the clasp and tie 3 knots around it. Then you'll take a clamp and put it on one of the knots and put adhesive glue on the knot in between the gap. And you want it to be nice and proper, fully covered. And then you can take the pliers and seal the clamp shut. And make sure the string is in between the gap. So then it will be secure and it won't make the bracelet break. Then you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, adding glue on the knot and then sealing the clamp shut. Then once the glue is dry, you can cut off the extra string. You don't want the string to be visible, so you can cut it all the way or keep a bit extra. Next, you will add a bit extra glue on top of the crimp so that it is more secure and will not break. While it is drying, you can take the earring head pin and put a stone on it, and using the scissors you cut it halfway. Next, you will take the nose pliers and bend it close to the stone in a loop. Finally, you will attach a small jump ring and add it to the bracelet, and using the pliers to close the jump ring shut. And that's it! That is your final result, your brand new handmade bracelet.